Good morning, people. We are at the beach side here in Dương Đông town. Just heading onto the beach now for a bit of a walk, and hopefully I can throw up the fly cam. Nice little bar here called Tiki Bar. Look at these little tables. So this is Dương Đông. This looks like a bit of a diving board over here that they use to jump off. So we're going to head along the beach here. Nice calm waters. So this resort has massages, full body massage, 200 Vietnam dong, which works out to be like $15 for an hour, $15 New Zealand. Full body massage, no special services for all you naughty guys out there. But beautiful beach here. Dương Đông Beach. And people are swimming in here. We'll head up here a little bit more, walk along the beach, see if we can throw up the fly cam as well. Now they put these kind of net things around to make a swimmable area because there's a lot of jellyfish. So that stops the jellyfish from coming in. And I guess some of the sharks, but I don't think this area of Vietnam have sharks. So nice bungalows right here, right on the beach. Beautiful. And bungalows here, they cost about, probably, you're looking at anywhere between 50 to 100 New Zealand dollars a day. And that also includes free breakfast. Just pretty good. I think most places you go to, you can get like a free breakfast anywhere. So it's good that in Southeast Asia, you can go pretty much to like lots of different guest houses, hotels, places like that, and you can get really good deals, especially in low season. Low season's the one, man. Anyway, guys, nice scene here, beautiful beach. Let's throw up the fly cam and get some pictures here of Dương Đông.